Well, hello and welcome to Save Our Stuff. In this video I will show you how I replace these sticks with TMR sticks. This is a Dualsense PlayStation 5 controller and it's known it has stick drift, and with these TMR sticks it's claimed you don't have any drift anymore. So let's replace these sticks with the TMR sticks. I will do this in real time so you can see how long it takes to replace the TMR sticks. First remove the screws from the controller and remove the R1 and L1 buttons because there are screws underneath. Like that. I use a Phillips screwdriver from iFixit, my favorite one. Then I pry it open. There are two clips here and here. I put my nail under it and they unclip and I can pry controller open. Then I remove the battery. Remove the battery holder. Carefully take out the ribbon cable. This ribbon cable. Here is a ribbon cable, and here this white ribbon cable. Carefully remove it. Then I have to unsolder these 4 wires and these four wires, so I can take out the board. Let's zoom in. One, two, three, 4. Now I can remove the board. Oh, this one is still attached, like that. We'll put this, I think it's a speaker back in here so I don't forget it. Remove the caps. And what I like to do is first remove the potentiometers. Just put my nail in between. Remove these white parts. And then I put it in my Omnise. Like that. Now I add some leaded solder to these pins so I can remove the potentiometers easily. So just flood it with some leaded solder, heat the 3 pins all at once and then easily remove the parts. Do that for all 4, like that. And the last one. Like that. To remove the rest of the sticks, I use some low melt solder. It's this one. It's melts at 138 degrees Celsius, and I mix the pads with this solder. So add a bit of solder to those pads. Like that. And then I heat the pads and use some pliers to remove the stick. Right, now it's I have to heat the pins all, so it removes the stick. Takes some time, but eventually it will come out. Almost. And there it is. That's one. Now the other one. And because I use some low melt solder, it stays longer melted, so the stick can be pried out. See, it's a very quick and clean method to remove the stick, and there it is. Now I use a solder sucker to remove the solder from the pads. It's very easy. That's one side, now the other one. Okay, well, this one is still, there's still some solder in it, like that. Alright, let's get the sticks. I use these Aknes TMR joysticks. They're great. They look like this. Just put them in. Just remove some solder from this pad. That's and the other one. Like that. Then I first solder one pin of the stick and keep my solder iron on it and make sure it's flat against the board. And solder the rest of the pins. That's one. The other one, first solder one pin, make sure it's flat, then solder the rest. Like that. Now clean it with some IPA and a toothbrush. Like that, and put it back in the casing. Like that. The ribbon cables back in. Solder the wires. The yellow one goes to the top. Then green, then black, and red, and the other side also, yellow on the top, and green, black, and red. Like that. Battery holder back in place. Come on. Ribbon cable back in. Oops. Battery back in. Back plate. First on the top. Now clip it back in. Screws. One. Two. 3 and 4. clip this part back in. Put the buttons back. There's no drift anymore, so this sticker has to be removed. Alright, last thing, test it and calibrate the controller to my PC, and I go to the website gamepad tester, this one, and then you see test circularity. You see they're not centered, so I go to this website to calibrate the joystick. Connect. Let's put it in English for you. Calibrate stick center. Press start. Top left. Top right. Bottom left. Bottom right. Continue. Stick range. Just move it slowly all directions. Done. Save and go to this, and you see they are centered and they're perfect again. Okay, that's it. That's how I replaced the sticks with the TMR joysticks from this one, Aknes. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next time.